Students, now you know what is preposition, right? Here let's see some more example. Open your English grammar, page number 63, lesson number 23, in, on, behind, under. A. Look at these sentences. First, the apples are in the basket. Here you can see that apples are in the basket. So here in is used, right? Then second sentence, the basket is on the table. Here see, this basket is on the table. Third, the dog is behind the gate. Here the dog is behind this gate. Fourth, the boat is under the bridge. Here you can see this boat is under the bridge. Bridge के नीचे है. Fifth, his head is above the water. Here his head is above the water, right? पानी के ऊपर. Sixth, Ritu is standing between Rahul and Tarun. Ritu is standing between Rahul and Tarun, दोनों के बीच में. 7. The boy jumped into the pool. The boy jumped into the pool, right? पानी में गिर रहा है, right? So the boy jumped into the pool. 8. The man is climbing up the hill. Here this man is climbing up the hill. Hill के ऊपर चढ़ रहा है, climbing up the hill. 9. She is coming down the stairs. She is coming down the stairs. Stairs से नीचे उतर रहे. And 10. The thief jumped over the wall. The thief is trying to jump over the wall. So here all these dark words are preposition: in, on, behind, under, above, between, into, up, down and over. Now turn the page. Page number 64. Now see here. Tick the correct words in the brackets, right? Here you have to tick the correct words in the bracket. First, the books are blank the table. Where the books are, on the table or over the table? On, right? On. The books are on the table because touch करके है table से. The things which does not touch the thing that is over, right? But if the things is there and the books are touching the table, right? So books are on the table. But here if you see that aeroplane is flying over our head, right? Because aeroplane is not touching our head. That's why the aeroplane is flying over our head. Second, the clock is on or above the window. The clock is above the window. Above. So tick above. Third, his pen is on or in his pocket. His pen is in his pocket. Fourth, the man hid behind or near a tree. Where is the man? The man hid behind a tree. Fifth, there is a small table between or near the two doors. Between, right? So we will tick here between. Sixth, my shoes are lying the bed. My shoes are lying under the bed. Seventh, Miss Roy quietly walked in or into the room. Miss Roy quietly walked into the room. रूम में एंटर हो रहे हैं, राइट? सो into. She is not in the room but she is walked into the room. 8. Ajay ran down up the hill very fast. Ajay ran down, नीचे उतर रहा है, और अजय ran down the hill very fast. 9. The old man slowly climbed up or down the stairs. Old man slowly climbed up the stairs. Right? 10th. The aeroplane flew on or above the clouds. Above. Right? Good. 11. The dog jumped on or over the fence. The dog jumped over the fence. Right? So these are some sentences. Right? Now let's see exercise C. See here. Complete this story by filling the blanks with in, on, into, under, above, behind, near or between. Here we have to fill up all these blank with all these preposition. Now see, you can use some of these words more than once. We can use all these words more than once too. So let's see. See here you have given one picture also. Anshul and his friends are in a boat. Anshul and his friends are in a boat. Anshul is sitting in the front of the boat. Here Anshul is sitting in the front, right, of the boat. Shikha, Amit and Ravi are sitting blank him. So they are where? Behind him. So we will write here behind. Amit is blank Shikha and Ravi. So Amit is with. We will write here with. Amit is, here you can see here. Amit is with Shikha and Ravi. Amit is with Shikha and Ravi. Here you can see in this picture. See, Amit is with Shikha and Ravi. Right? Their boat is blank the bridge. Where is their boat? Under the bridge. Their boat is under the bridge. There are many cars running blank the bridge. There are many cars running on the bridge. Right? Many cars running on the bridge. A young boy is swimming blank the river. A young boy is swimming in the river. Right? We will write in. We can see his head blank the water. We can see his head above the water. There is a tree blank the bank. There is a tree. Where is the tree? The tree is on the bank. Right? The tree is on the bank. There is a bench blank the tree. There is a bench under the tree. Right? There is a bench under the tree. See, bench is under the tree. Right? A man is sleeping blank the bench. Where is the man? The man is sleeping on the bench. A young boy is sitting blank the bank. A young boy is standing on the bank. Right? There is on the bank. A young boy is also standing on the bank. He is going to jump blank the river. He is going to jump into the river. We will write here into. So you can fill up all these blank like this. Here you can write Amit is between Shikha and Ravi. You can also write here between, right? Because Amit is sitting between these two with Shikha and Ravi. So Amit is standing between Shikha and Ravi.